What's up everyone, this is the panel photographer and I'm having an issue with this charger. One of those issues was that when I was charging this battery last night and it was charging to 100%, I noticed at 50% is making this frequency pinch noise. It kept me up all night, which was very highly disturbing. And not only that, I had a bad experience, really bad experience with a charger before that was doing the exact same thing and it blew up on me. So I want you guys to listen first and I want you guys to pay attention to the noise. I'm going to unclip my lavalier microphone. You might be able to hear the pinch noise. It's very noticeable. You cannot avoid it. So Canon, please tell me, why does this happen? So with that said everyone, you heard the pinch noise. It's pretty, you can't sleep like that. If you're trying to charge batteries at night and you hear that pinch frequency noise coming from the charger dock, that's something that you need to address with Canon. If you ever had this issue with the Canon camera, let me know down in the comments down below. And if you had a similar experience, please let me know what did you do to resolve the issue. Please do subscribe and like and share it on the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.